Here I have LENOVO Tab M8, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the screen record. By holding your finger on it, nothing happens. Just by tapping it once, here you can switch audio settings, like you can record device audio, you can record microphone audio, or both. You can also show touches on the screen. After you tap start, like this countdown, and after this countdown, recording starts. So now it's on. So when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap on this notification here to stop recording. Okay. Stop. And that's how you can stop it. Then you can find your recordings in gallery. And here it is. So now it's on. So when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap. From here you can share, edit, delete your recording, and perform other actions like checking info. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.